Hey guys, welcome back again to another episode of Beautarie Home, a mini series where I show you African print and other DIYs specifically for your home. In this video, I'll show you how I made this decorative vase from a Pringles jar. To start off, I gathered all the materials I needed. I will list them all in the description box down below. Then I measured my fabric to the length of the drinking straws that I was using. Then I cut my fabric accordingly. Also cut strips of fabric with a 5 cm width. The straws that I am using have a diameter of 1 cm. To cover the straws, I put a line of glue on one edge and another on the other edge. Then I gently roll the straw to cover it, and the glue will stick the edges together. The kind of glue that I'm using is a silicone based glue, and it sticks very well to surfaces and fabrics. So all in all, I used 20 straws, and it was pretty ironic because the packet I got came with exactly 20 straws, which were all the right length and covered the whole jar. Then I started sticking the straws onto the jar using hot glue. tie a beautiful satin bow across the vase, but this is totally optional. And then I put in my flowers. This is ideal to put on your bedside or countertop or as a cool table centerpiece. Thanks so much for watching. Till we meet again. Bye.